In this video, we're going to continue topic 2.5 and 2.6 with basic derivatives. And this one here in example 7 is we're going to revisit the definition of a derivative. So you will see this pop up on the AP test on the multiple choice. By no stretch of the imagination should you actually be using the limit process, because there is a shortcut if you can recognize this definition. So the first thing we're going to do is, once you recognize that it is the limit definition of a derivative, circle all the x plus h and cross everything else out. Replace all the x plus h with x. Take the derivative of this new equation. So I'm going to do exactly what they say. I'm going to circle everything that has an x plus h, and I'm going to cross everything else out. Okay? And that includes this denominator. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to replace all the x plus h's with an x. So this is getting replaced with x, this is getting replaced with x. So that gives me x squared minus 2x. And now I'm going to take the derivative of that new equation. So this was really our function. F prime equals, going to bring the 2 in front, so 2x to the first. And then the derivative of this first power would go in front, times -2 is -2, and I would get x to the 0, but I'm not going to write it down. I really don't need it. So just 2x minus 2. The next one here is we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to circle everything that has an x plus h. Okay. I'm going to cross everything else out. Now I'm going to actually find what my function was supposed to be. So my original function, I'm going to replace everything that has an x plus h with an x. So we have x cubed plus 6 times x. And then my derivative, so I'm going to take the 3 and bring it in front, would be 3x, subtract 1 would be 2. I have a 1 there, so 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract 1 would be to the 0 power, so I'm not going to write the 0 power down. Now, you do have a video that you're supposed to be doing. In the video, you need to do the actual long way with all the algebraic steps. You may, however, use this to check the problems that you're going to do the video, so you should know whether you have the right answer or not.